Hey, what's going on, my fellow subscribers and randoms? We're doing a thing today. Don't make fun of me. Some Alpena LED underglow strips. Yeah. So, this is gonna be a quick video. I'm also gonna talk about my Rbc Swap. Oof, can't talk, huh? Did some big things in my car recently. Got it dyno tuned and whatnot. Yeah, boy. RBC boys. Got an RBC to the ZDX PRL adapter. Oh, get a better angle on these injectors. RDX injectors. A couple of Hasport mounts. You already know what it is. And what else can I say about this swap? Got the PRL intake manifold adapter. Very good plug and play, as my mechanic said. You do gotta extend your fucking TP throttle fucking wires. Yep. If you don't have some kind of like splitter kit. Definitely double check like the fucking intake inlet outlets. Make sure the hoses match up from like how it was stock. I had a big problem with fucking idle issues. We did fucking idle relearn, unplugged the battery, I unplugged all these types of sensors through codes, reset it, fucking brought the Mavis, had all types of fucking people diagnose, fucking give me their sixth sense. It was stressful, guys. I really went through a lot, but it's a Honda, so if you ever have problems with your Honda and it's new, bring it to fucking Honda. My boy A-Mang shouts out, you already know who he is, you feel me? Fucking relearned my throttle body, so if you have a stock ECU and it's looking for a stock part and you don't have the stock part anymore, you might have to get your computer relearned. Didn't think that was a thing, right? Anyways, there's a couple things in my RBC swap. I also have a full race 3-inch downpipe to stock exhaust. That was the catch to my little build here. But yeah, she fucking eats. Give you a little quick sound clip. Let the fans know I care. Hopefully I don't get evicted. Alright, so let's get to this fucking LED strips. Alright, depending on the height of your car, get some wood planks. Make your life easier. Unless you have a low pro jack, which I don't. Find the subframe underneath your car. And jack. Make sure she's sturdy. You don't want to fuck anything up. And jack. Now. You're fuck. Oh. Okay. Now you're just gonna fucking jack her off. Yeah, you can see my license plate. What of it? Yeah, fucking. This is one thing I can do very well is jack off. Cocksuckers. Alright. Now that I've fished all my shit down, made sure it fucking reaches everywhere. You got the one in the front, one on the side, one in the back, on the other side. You're gonna fucking clean the plastic where you're gonna mount the shit. I'll show you. So I picked this fucking here, I cleaned all this. You're gonna mount underneath your car, and then you're gonna put the screws to hold it fastened, and then all the excess wire you're just gonna have to find places to zip tie it underneath your car without touching exhaust fuel or anything like that. Stay tuned. Well, sorry I couldn't really give you the step-by-step. As you can see, it started fucking raining like a prick. Planet does what it wants, fucking cocksucker, but guess what? J5 does not give up. I'll show you my wiring job. Makes sense of everything I've done here. Alright, well, as you can see, there's no dangling wires anymore. Zip tie city under here. I mounted the box under the car. Did some wire tucking. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Ran some wires against the subframe in the front. Did my best not to get anywhere near the exhaust. And yeah, it looks good. I'll give her a test run soon, maybe later on tonight. So usually these kits don't come, they don't fit every car, so I bought wire, I extended and crimped these wires to make the kit extend farther. But I got everything on. I might fuck around doing oil change while I have this cocksucker off the ground, but yeah, I'm not one to be about neon lights or underglow, but you know, the right situation, time, place, shit fucks, feel me? But word. So I got the LED strips, Alpena. Here's a nighttime edition of this crazy ass genuine Fast and Furious shit, my guy. Check it, my guy. Ew. Definitely snagging bitches now. You know me? Look at this shit. All around this shit, my nigga. Sucker. See what I'm saying, my nigga? Creep up behind me and shit. Like, yo, what's good with this nigga, dog? Fucking Marty McFly type nigga and shit here, nigga, dog. Fresh life. Yep. Alright. Signing off. Like, comment, subscribe. Rick.